Hey you guys, all right, so we're in it. Like, I feel like this week we are in to the holiday season, okay? Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so happy early Thanksgiving. This is the week that I really start going in on finalizing gifts. I wanna get things under the tree. I don't wanna be rushing and there's too many things to do in December. There's so much going on that I don't want to be stressing about holiday gifts. I always find that I can get things at Nordstrom, beauty gifts, especially things that are just easy but good. I do not like, oh, I'm just gonna go and get this gift because it's just a little, $10 gift set or this or whatever. I want it to feel like a gift, like a good gift, but also get good deals. Get things for people that I know I would love and really special gifts. And so I'm gonna share with you guys so many of those types of gifts, these great gifts, whether they're sets, whether they're an actual item, whatever they are that I would really love, that I know anyone on your list would love. A lot of these I am gonna use in my tutorial that's gonna be after my gift directs. So I'm gonna really kind of get into the details of all these things, now when I'm kind of giving the recs and everything, and then the tutorial will kind of be a little quicker. So this video is in collaboration with Nordstrom. Everything is available there. I love, as I say, every year, and really anytime if you're ever looking for a gift for someone, you can shop by price, by recipient, by type, and beauty gifts are just always such a go-to for me. They have to make sense. Do you know what I mean? I want them to look like a beautiful gift. I don't want it to look like a cheesy little set or whatever. They do it right. There are so many great things. And like I said, by price, by just everything you can imagine, it's the easiest place to shop for people. So I will link to everything that I'm wearing. My earrings, which are just some of my all-time favorites. These would make amazing gifts. They come in all different metals, and then this top is actually half off right now. So many different colors, soft, just kind of fun and different, and not such a specific fit, not so fitted. And I think that anyone would like this. This would be a great gift to throw in as well. So I have to start with these because I have been wearing this every single day. The price on this is amazing. I believe it's $19. Comes in a cute little tin with a little mirror. It's the Nude Sticks. What is it called exactly? The two-piece sweet nude kit. So you get the magnetic eyeshadow and pink seashells, which is the best stick eyeshadow color I have ever. Y'all know I'm all about a stick eyeshadow. I don't want the fussy million color palettes and gotta, blend and do all this. No, I want a quick swipe. I want the full effect with minimal effort, and this is it. And the formula is out of this world amazing. And then the gel color lip and cheek balm. So you can use this on your cheeks too, but it's the most perfect lip color. You don't need liner. It's just my basic favorite color, and it is in Pulse. So these, like I said, I've been wearing these nonstop, and you'll see me use them in a second. I love giving someone something that I know, okay, they're gonna flippin' love this. They'll be using it like every day. I love that. And it's just such a cute little container. So cute little stocking stuffer. Another thing that I've recommended this to a few friends already. I'm kind of like, I wish I hadn't, because this would have made such a beautiful gift. So it's the Chanel Illuminating Blush Powder. It's in the holiday set from the La Chain collection. I've been using mine, so it might be rubbed off a little bit, but it's just a beautiful, Chanel in the middle. That's what I used on my cheeks. It does not make your cheeks look too shiny. Oh my gosh, from any skin tone could wear this, but it is the most beautiful, just perfect wash of bronzy rose. And I just think such a luxe pretty gift, and it comes with a really cute little brush as well. So I love that, and you'll see that in the video in a second. So I have so many different things. I'll swing back to some makeup and some skin stuff, but fragrance, you guys, I get a lot of questions about fragrance. I love watching people talk about their perfumes and things that they like, and perfume is always one of those things that you think about getting people every year. But the scents have to be just right. I have a few go-tos that are just amazing for gifting. I have a few new ideas. This has been one of my new faves. So I've been talking about the Byredo scents for years. I have a pretty good collection going, and I feel kind of like the Byredo scents, while yes, they can stand on their own, you kind of build your collection and they mix and layer so beautifully. And I think that would be something fun to start for someone. So it would be a very nice gift to give someone special, or this would be a good one to grab for yourself if you're a Byredo fan. It's Lil Fleur is such a creamy floral, not too tart, doesn't hit you in the face floral, has a creaminess, like I said, a softness, a little bit of a clean, fresh scent to it. It is so unique and beautiful. While the Little Fleur is one that I find I can layer easily with the other ones, this one stands alone and is just such a good scent. It's not too old, it's not too young, it's not too strong, it's not too floral, too powder. It's just perfect, and I think that anyone would love that. The Blanche is also a good one. I have the giant jar, or the giant bottle of the Blanche. It's very soapy, very clean. But the Little Fleur, I would say go for that one if you're wanting to give that to someone. So the Jo Malone sets. Jo Malone does holiday gifts so right. Every year I get, you know, at least a few of these sets to give to people. But I find that in the Jo Malone sets, you get kind of the same stuff, the wood, sage, and sea salt, the peony, the whatever. And I love the Christmas cologne collection this year. That's literally what it's called. Has orange bitters, white moss, and snowdrop, which sounds really good. Rose and magnolia, green almond, red currant, and ginger biscuit, which I'm really like curious about. I kind of want to bust into it just to smell that one. I just think it's fun. I think it's fun to try new things, and especially like around, you know, the holiday season, it's kind of fun to have some different ones that's not so, you know, it's nice to have one that's kind of like themed. Okay, for the person that is into makeup, beauty, all the things, or even like someone like me, like I have become more simple with my makeup. I like the same effect of a lot of steps. I've discovered new things that make it easier, like those nude sticks. But I am picky, as you know what, about eye palettes. And this one, when I saw it, I almost didn't get, and I'm so glad I did. I layered it with the nude sticks today. It's very sleek and beautiful. It's the Bejeweled Eyes to Hypnotize palette by Charlotte Tilbury for the holidays. And it's separated into 3 different groups. So the Happy Glow, the Love Glow, Dream Glow, and Seduce Glow. So it's saying like you could use these 3 for a look, these 3 for a look, you know. And it comes with a little insert that tells you like where to put each one, whatever. I just really love the color selection in here, and I think anyone would love that. And I love how sleek the packaging is. I like how it looks sitting on my vanity. It's very like Art Deco, like beautiful. Oh, it's just so pretty. Candles, okay. So I think I mentioned that one a minute ago. Okay, that candle, I love it so much. It's the Le Labo Palo Santo. This is such a good one. In your home, it just smells kind of earthy, a little, you know, spicy. I don't know how to describe it. It's not like a hit you in the face floral to this, to that. It's just so good. I want to get another one. Those are such nice candles, and that scent comes in the prettiest trio. We can get the Palo Santo and 2 other ones, I think like the Santal and another one, which I've never tried the other one, so I might get that because I know I love that one. But that would be such a good gift because these scents are so just like luxe and special. I will link to this set. That is such a good set. Of course, the Diptyque candles. They have beautiful holiday candles this year. Those are always good sets. A Diptyque candle is just like so, I don't know, just so special. And they have wonderful sets of those. Those are the things that I like to give, you know, like things that I would like. Okay, for the person that loves skincare, so I'm obsessed with this brand, the Beauty Bio. They make the Glow Pro Roller that I love, which they have a great set for that. But they make amazing skincare products. This set is so cool. It is the Peel and Glow. This off so you can see. So it comes with a really nice bag. It comes with, I mean, the packaging is so beautiful, very large sizes. This is the peel. So it comes with a brush as well in here to apply it, but it's like a thin gel, and then as it dries, like 20 minutes later, you peel it off. I think those are really fun, and I think that most people would kind of think that was cool, or may not even have something like that. It comes with a cleanser, and I thought this was super cute. It's one of those little, you know, like headbands. Like when you're washing your face, doing your skincare. I think that's just something really like cool and different. Okay, so another idea, oh my gosh, I would flip. I always talk about, and I think in my last, one of my gift rec videos I was doing here, I was talking about the La Mer sets. I love the La Mer products. There's a few that I especially love. The soft cream is my favorite. I love the lip balm. I love the lip volumizer. I have gone through like 3 of these. I love these so much. This is my go-to lip product. So they have a really good set with this and a hand cream, which is in my purse that I really love. A cute little bag. I will link to that. I think I showed that, like I said, in a previous video here, but But they still have that one. That one would be an amazing gift for anyone. And like I said, not so specific. It doesn't have like certain serums or certain lotions that maybe not everyone would, you know, want to use or wouldn't be, you know, for their skin type or whatever. There is a set I will link to that I really liked that came with the soft cream. This is what, it's a set that I bought to get the soft cream in. And I love this. A little goes the longest way, so this will last you a very long time. And it comes with, I believe, the foaming cleanser, which I have used all of that and I really liked it. I want to repurchase that when I'm out of some of my other things. Okay, so let's use some of these things and do the tutorial. It'll be kind of quick, not too difficult, kind of simple. I just wanted to do kind of a 2-in-1 because I wanted to do this before Thanksgiving so that, you know, if you wanted an idea for makeup for Thanksgiving, certainly holidays all year round, I think this is such a good go-to look, but I hope that you guys enjoy it. All right, you guys, so just took my hair down. It's a little wet. I'm gonna let that air dry and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing my makeup. So I'm gonna use the La Mer Cushion foundation. This has just been what I've been into lately. It is so easy and I mean the coverage is amazing. I'm using the color Warm Vanilla. Just so easy, like zero fuss. It's like an all-in-one little thing. A little bit of under eye concealer. I'm still getting through this one and I really actually have fallen in love with it. The Armani Luminous Silk. That may actually be one that I repurchase. Using my Chanel bronzer. So simple. So for the eyes, super simple. I'm just gonna use this pink seashells stick. It could not be easier. I like a more natural eye look that has just a hint of warmth to it, and this is it. And it's just perfect. You can blend it with your finger, blend it with a little fluffy brush, put it all over my lid, and then right into the crease, and then sweep it right around the lower lid. And I take my Charlotte Tilbury, the Bejeweled Eyes Hypnotized palette, and I take that second color. If you guys, I mean, obviously watch the first part of the video unless if you skipped ahead to this tutorial because I'm gonna give you guys so much detailed info about each of these products that I'm talking about. And there's even a darker shade that you can take. There's one that's a little redder or a little, you know, warmer brown. And that's the one I'm gonna take and put right in this outer corner. So I'm gonna take this sort of like shimmery pinky color in the Dream Glow section. And I'm gonna put it just right where two colors meet. So Charlotte Tilbury liners are some of my favorite. These double-ended ones are great. I have my favorite little one. I don't even know what this one is called. It's like down to a little nub. I'll have to look at that. I'll link to that one. But I love this mesmerizing maroon. I've always loved, if I'm gonna do a color on my eyes, something that is like this, that's like a little cranberry-ish, or something that is a little more purple. The tone of this is just so perfect. And you get the same effect. Like it still makes your lashes look thick. You just don't see like an obvious thick line. And then the other end is so pretty, and I like to take that right on the lower lash line because again, I don't like a dark under there. For me, it's always been a little too harsh. So that's what I generally like to do. I like to use the lighter shade on the lower, and it's just so pretty. And then a quick swipe of the Dior Show makes them look really thick at the base. All right, so now for the lips, you don't have to pair anything with this. This is the other part of the little Nude Sticks duo. It's a lip and a cheek balm, so you can use it on your cheeks too. I'm gonna use something different on my cheeks I'm gonna show you, but it's in the color Pulse. You don't have to use a lip liner, but I just always use my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk for everything. I mean, it's just kind of like a habit. It's like so easy. And then you fill it in with this. I've worn this without the lip liner and it's pretty much the same. I just feel like the lip liner kind of always, I feel, just helps things stay on better. Such a beautiful universal shade that's not too dark, not too light. So for my cheeks, this is all I've been using lately. It's from the Chanel Holiday Collection. It's the Le Chain de Chanel Powder Blush Illuminating Powder Blush, okay? And it's the most beautiful, like bronzy, I don't know if you, yeah, the C's are still on there because I feel like I've kind of worn them down some. Bronzy, like rose color, and it looks like it would be shiny. And it does in the container, and it says illuminating, but on your skin, it is the most flattering, just beautiful color. It doesn't look doesn't make your cheeks look shiny or weird. It just looks like skin. You don't have to use a highlighter, but this is just my absolute favorite. And oh my gosh, it's just, I always go back to this for years. It's just always been my favorite. I put a little bit on the tip of my nose, right there on your cheekbone. And for my brows, I haven't had to fill them in as much as I used to, and I've been using this Benefit Gimme Brow. I have loved this product for so many years, but I've never truly just used it totally on its own. Really get away with using this and not like a brow pencil and a million other things. You know, I don't like to make my brows look powdery or cakey, which if you have like a lot of brow hair, it can get a little scary, a little fast. So yeah, I'll link to the brow serum that I also use that really has helped. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I'll link to everything that I talked about. I'm definitely gonna finalize a few things on my Christmas list that I do need to order for a few more friends, a few more people on my list from Nordstrom, and get all that done. It's just so easy. I want to, you know, get it all here so that I can hopefully by this weekend get most everything wrapped and under the tree, and so that I can just, you know, be done and have a good time throughout December. I may do a few last minute things throughout December. I don't know. I just like kind of getting it done, and I'm always very guilty of like, you know, picking up several more things and finding all these little good things that we talk about. You know, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna give this to this person, that person. So I end up with a bunch of little extra things as well. But I want to get it kind of like, I want to get some things under the tree this weekend, you know, and kind of get it done so that I don't have so much pressure over, like I said, over December, you know, to feel like I have to do it. And you want to get things before they're picked over. So thank you guys so much for watching. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope that you guys have a wonderful one. I hope that these recommendations helped you out and gave you some good ideas that some people on your list will love, maybe that you will love. And again, a big thanks to Nordstrom for working with me today on another video. Love you guys so much. Take care. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.